Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making this full beanie, so if you're new, please subscribe. Let's get into the video straight away. So we're going to chain 2, 3, 4. So we are making a chain 10 inches long. Let's see. Put it straight. It should be 10 centimeters long. We add some fuel. Oh yes, our chain is 10 centimeters long. Add 1, put single crochet into the second, put single crochet into the next, single crochet. So we are going to single crochet through out the chain up to here. Here we are into our last chain. Put a single crochet, chain 1, and then turn your work into this very first single crochet. You're going to yarn over through both loops, yarn over and make a single crochet. Into the next we are going to crochet into the back loop only. So yarn over and make a single crochet into the back loop only. We have the front and the back loop and both, but we are making into the back loop only. Make a single crochet into the back loop, another single crochet, another single crochet. So you continue and I will meet you here to our last single crochet. Now in this last single crochet we are going to this one is the second last. The last one we take both loops, and make a single crochet to secure it. Chain 1, turn your work, both loops, single crochet, do the next, into the back loop only, make a single crochet, into the back loop only, make a single crochet. So we are going to continue until when we have the width that we desire. Continue with the pattern until when you have the width that you like, probably 23 inches, 20 to 23 inches. Here we are, we have our 13 inches, but when you stretch it, it will go up to 20 inches. This one, if you stretch it, you'll get the width that you desire. So at this point we are going to join this heart. You can either sew with a needle, or you can join using single crochet. We are going to turn and join from the wrong side. This is the wrong side, so we are going to join it from the wrong side. Into the very first and chain one to secure it, this very first point, and one here, join and make a slip stitch, one here, one here, and this side, join and make a slip stitch. Continue like that until when you finish joining from here up to here. I'll meet you here and show you how to join this other part. We have joined, I think you can see here at the end. We take up both loops from both sides to secure it and make a single crochet. You can make two, secure it again. Oh, come on. Chain one, cut your yarn and pull. I think you can see, you can barely notice the difference even when you turn to the right side. You can barely notice the difference. Wow, it's really invisible. You can barely notice where we joined from. So going to the next part, we are going to use a needle to sew and put this part together. So grab your needle. So while cutting, you have to leave a long tail for sewing this side. It has to be long enough to fasten this side. So how do you do it? Still, we are on our wrong side. This is where we joined from. It's the long side, and this is our right side. After first round, you will have to pull really hard. It's joined. So we are going to sew in and out to secure it so well. So let's go. You have to fasten it really hard from point to point, from corner to corner. So you leave no hole in it. Yeah, at this point it's well fastened, as you can see. So you flip it over. See, you can fold, you fasten and cut off this yarn. And here we are, our hat is ready. If you want, you can add a pom-pom. If you don't, you can leave it like this. Wow. I think I should cut this yarn at once. Yes. That's the leftover yarn. And yes, here we go. Our heart is ready in a minute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with a friend for more new videos. Please like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.